Hello and welcome to Devlog. I want to show you today our new feature, or a couple new features. Actually, we'll just talk about one. The new feature that I want to introduce to you today is called the Devlog Timeline. Yes, you've heard of the timeline before because Facebook has it, and I really like it a lot. And I liked it so much that I decided that I was going to put a timeline feature on Devlog. Only it's optional. So let's just get started here. First, I'm going to go ahead and go to one of my members' pages here and show you how to get to a member's timeline. We'll just we'll go to Queen's page here. I always love going to her page because it rocks. I love it. And she's put a lot of work into it, and it's sweet. So as you can hear in the background there, she's got her music playing, and we'll go ahead and stop that for now. But getting to somebody's timeline is really easy. You go to their profile or your own profile. If you go to somebody else's profile, you're going to find the timeline right here. But if you go to your own profile, it's going to be all the way over here to the end. But we'll go ahead and select her timeline just to show you what it looks like. And this is pretty much the layout. It's got some of her friends here, and you can see that she's very active and adds photos to the site and things like that, and is quite active on the site, and you can see here. So basically that's how you get to somebody's timeline. I'm going to go to my own timeline. Another way to get to the timeline is to go right up here to this profile button and then scroll all the way down to the bottom and go to the timeline, and that will take you to your very own timeline. And I'm just going to demonstrate what the timeline does. Let me move this window out of the way here. Okay, and then here's my timeline, and I just want to show you here, you've got your status where you can just go in here, and I love the new timeline on Devlog. Enter. And there you can see that it updated my status, and it also put a timeline block in there. So if I want, I can get rid of it. I can also expand it so that it goes across just like it does on Facebook. Then here I can just write a comment. Oh, I guess I didn't spell that right. Oops. Awesome. Is that how you spell awesome? Okay, I'm not going to get into this. Okay. And submit. And there we've got another timeline. I might change up some of the CSS here, but at the moment I've done a lot of CSS work to change up and make the timeline a little more Devlog-y. Okay, so you can also post a link. And I can't think of a link at the moment, so I'm just going to go ahead and go over here to media, and well, we can post a YouTube link. We can flip over and do that real quick. Let's go to YouTube, and let's do this. Vlog link up. Okay, and let's. I love Kelly. She's awesome. Okay, so then I just come up to the top, copy. I'm going to copy the link at the top of the page here, and then I'm going to come back here and I'm going to drop that in there. All right, and continue. I think I clicked continue. Yes. Oh, you know what? no, my server's not going slow, my network's not going slow. I think I actually need to go down here and get this. So let's go ahead and copy it from here and come back here and paste and continue. Yeah, that's what it wanted. Okay, so then we can go in here and it's already populated with tags and some description that she has. I'm going to go ahead and put this under let's see, let's just put that under blogs, and we'll go ahead and submit. And now that has been added. Okay, now that doesn't actually show up on your timeline. That's actually going to show under videos. So if I go over here to videos, you will see that there it is right there. Alright. And there's our video. Okay, so, and then of course you can comment on it and things like that, and I can share it to other sites. These up here, and I'm going to show you something else here in a second, but we're going to come back up here and we're going to go back to my timeline, and we're going to go ahead and, I don't know, let's add a photo. So notice this right now, photos already lit up, but there's no place to put photos in. Just come over here and click on one of the other tabs. Oops. And then come back over here and click on photo again. Then you're good to go. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and browse, and yeah, we're just going to go ahead and pull up some of my artwork here, and I'm going to open that, and yes, I do have the right to distribute these photos. Continue. Alright, and tags, let's just put in, and now let's do this. Yeah, I've done this before, you can tell. Okay, so I'm going to roll up here and let's put that under artwork, and I'm going to submit that. This will appear on my timeline, and then there it is, and I can go in here, and this is, whoops, what did I do? What did I do here? Back up here. What do I got going on here? Let me go to this photo and come back to it here. Okay, here's my photo, and alright, I can view the original. Alright, close that back out, and let's go back to my timeline. I want to make sure that I can comment on it. Gosh dang it. Okay, so I found that I had a little bit of CSS issues here just a second ago, so I need to come in here and fix that real quick. I just wanted to show you what it looks like to have to deal with some of the files when you have a website and you have to do CSS work. Where am I going? This isn't where I want to be. I want to go up here and go to modules, and we're going to go to our timeline module and templates, go to our base and CSS and style, and I'm going to do a little code editing here, and let's see, I want to go to line 86. Where are we at? Right there. And I want my text area, I want that. to be 000. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and save those changes. Alright, and close, and then we're going to come back over here. What I noticed was that we'll reload this page. Alright, what I noticed here was that this comment area was, hey, wait a minute now, I don't see any changes. Ah, there we go. Yeah, this comment area was white, and I had white letters, characters being entered, so it didn't look like I was entering anything in there. Okay, so continuing on here, we've just added this photo, and then we're going to, I love Photoshop. Yay. Alright. Oops. Not yay, yeah. We want yay. Alright. There we go. And send. And now I've got a comment on there, and cool, huh? Oh, hey, yard. Not cool. Okay. Okay, there we go. Send. Alright, so you can comment on timeline events, and what's this? Change the date. Okay, so I can change the date, but I'm not going to change the date, so I'm just going to go ahead and 2/24. Alright, what time is it? Oh, it's 7 o'clock in the morning. Okay, send. Alright, and close. Looks like I got some more CSS work to do. Okay, so pretty much that's our little timeline here. It's pretty cool. I like it. Later on, we're going to end up adding a feature called what is it? Life events, which is also on Facebook. I love life events. It's nicely laid out and lets you add all kinds of events to your timeline. And that's all about making a really nice profile, or making a profile you can be proud of. Not saying that I always post the greatest things on Facebook, but I do care about what my profile looks like on Facebook, and I care what my profile looks like on Devlog, and I want to give people as many ways possible as to create nice profiles and express themselves. Later on, I'm going to talk about experiences and some of the other things that you can do. You can see that you have many things that you can do on Devlog, and so that's pretty much all I got for you today. So everybody have a great day.